Well, I think security has always been a data problem. The real question becomes, how do you actually get value out of the data? So when I was at SentinelOne, we bought a company called Scalar, and we basically moved that into the entire back end of the system. It's a big data platform, so it ingests massive amounts of data. And Tomer, who was my boss, the CEO of the company, asked me to really push this idea of XDR and this idea of really kind of getting it into a replacement for a SIEM. So what would that really look like? How would you do that? And so what we did is we really kind of took a different approach. We looked at what is the issue. And the issue is right now, tons and tons of alerts, almost nothing in context, and you have to try to piece everything together, and it takes a lot of time, and it's just a very inefficient process, right? And so we looked at what are the capabilities of this new data platform. Massive ingest, fairly low cost, the ability to alert on an event stream. So think of it as almost like taking the DevOps approach to running a SaaS service, so continuously monitoring and looking for anomalies as it happens in the stream. So we're doing the same thing from a security standpoint. And then finally, the ability to take some type of automated action based on that alert, right? So with those capabilities, we basically kind of looked at the threat modeling approach. So we started basically having the SOC go out and do threat modeling based on the business. What are we really worried about? Well, worried about identity-based attacks, takeover attacks. Okay, what does that threat model look like? Well, it looks like these things in the Okta logs.